Students of various schools and colleges carried out protests against the report of People's Union for Civil Liberties, in short PUCL, on Manipur violence, calling it bias and partition. Students of Manipur College, Tampasana Girls Higher Secondary School, Ghanapriya College took out protests by chanting various slogans against the controversial report. Speaking on the sideline, General Secretary of Manipur College Students Union, Yumnam Johnson, denounced the report of PUCL, which claimed that the violence erupted in Imphal and spread across to other districts. He alleged that the report endorsed the separatist movement of Pucl militant groups. While urging PUCL to issue a public apology to people of Manipur, Johnson also urged Governor and State Administration to take necessary actions against PUCL for publishing a biased report which could further exacerbate the volatile situation in Manipur.
Narco-terrorism na hatkiba Maitai Masa sing haidi ribamda makoi angang masa yaw na mam sa yaw na taru hatkiba kema jit lithungam bi hatkiba Maitai Masa mayam am hang mangiba sina losillaga PUCL gi report ta Maitai na kukida attack to boina baina phong libasi Manipur miyam na yabanga moi governor na losingba Manipur gi laingak na PUCL gi report asi matakta aran phong te leba mayam si asigi matakta kan to biu adi yam na kupna tijan biu aduga asi akoina swaina praja mayam hor satra mayam hor laga swaina irang to horei se yaning da phong do sari maram di PUCL gi report asi Maitai na kukida lan haura matungda ina Maitai da laman kumakpani haina haidi impan nong dale ma kuki masa sing asi kuki myam asi akoi Maitai na ta thokra matungda Susanpur kuki nan lam ta ba jaga haitare kamjong Susanpur gumba mafam sing asi da irang Maitai na haura matungda makoina riya kanon torokpani adui matungda reaction lakpani haiboina pongli basi Manipur praja myam na amadi Manipur kolasi mairoi sing nasu yaning da bondok chari
na pong dog liber report asi NT Maitai oiba aduga chin kuki narco-terrorist singbu saugatpa amadi yupam yaudaba asaba narrative ta yupam oiba report amo oibna Manipur miyam na yaba ngamloi amadi chatnaba yaroi asigumlaba mathong huktaba PUCL gi thawong asi condemn tawbuga loina na Manipur miyam da lale haizagadabani loina na governor na luching balengak asina su PUCL gi mathakta chapchaba action lawkhatnaba na gadabani